Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To those who are new to this channel, welcome, and to my new subscribers, welcome. So guys, in today's video I want to go to the farm. I'm back in the village and I want to go and show you what we have. So come with me and let's go and check. So let's put on these boots. So now let's So you see these big passions, they are the ones which are mostly used for making the passion juice. So when they are ripe, they usually turn yellow in color. I wish I can find one which is yellow. Let's check and see if we'll find one. Wow, finally we have found one here. So let's have it. Too bad this one is ripe but spoiled. These ones are almost ripe but they still need time. See, like this one, almost ripe but they still need time. So we have one there, you can see it. We have one there, let me show you. So guys, you see that one over there, that one, it's ripe, but let's see if we can get it, because I have to go the other side of the fence and pick it. So guys, I'm going to pick that that passion over there. Yeah. So this. So guys, here we have them, two of them, but I've seen that you have another one over there, the other side. So I'm going to pick it and eat. Guys, I'm going to pick the other passion. Kwani iko wapi? What? They are over here. Wow. This one is ripe. Wow, this one is not yet ripe, but this one is ripe. Wow. So guys, wacha tuende tukule passion yetu hapa. Yep.
I feel the gravity pull and it keeps me awake. I would rather be here, lonely in space. I feel my mind, just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
Oh guys, I've seen an apple. Let me check it out. Oh. Oh guys, it has fallen. Oh, and it's ripe. It was over here. You see? Yeah, it is. It's ripe. It's ready to be eaten. And I've seen another one over here. You see this one? But this one is not yet ripe. So guys, I've even seen that we have oranges. This is an orange tree. So here we have them, but they are not ripe yet. So here we go. These are oranges. Wow, there are so many.
I feel the gravity pull and it keeps me away.
Orange.
I would rather be here, lonely in space. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy. I live my own life in a new galaxy.
Okay, let me go and show you ripe bananas for cooking. Right over here. You see them? These ones are ready for cooking. And that's how we support them with a piece of stick so that they do not fall. Then let me show you more. We have so many bananas. You see, like these ones, they are ready for eating, also for cooking. Wow, we have a very big pawpaw. Look, you have more of the pawpaws. Papaya. Another one is there. There are so many here. Especially the pawpaws and the bananas are so many. A lot of them. And they are ripe. So you can start making orders. Okay, let's see if we will get one avocado, a ripe one. Maybe we'll be lucky here. Let's see if we'll find one. Unfortunately, there's nothing here. So let's keep on checking checking. You see, we have like this one. Ah, wow. And also we have sugarcane. Let me go and check. This one is also sugarcane. And another one, we have it over here. You see, we have sugarcane over here. Wow. That's sugarcane. It's still small, but soon we're going to harvest the sugarcane. Then we have the small passion fruits here. I don't know if we'll be lucky to get one. So like this one here. That one, these are the small ones. Wacha tuone kama tutapata moja hapa. Finally I've found two. Here they are. The small passions. Yeah, I've found two on this other side of the fence. So guys, come I show you the dragon fruit. We have them over here. This is a plant of dragon fruit. For those who don't know, that's the plant. Okay, we have another one here, but okay, I don't know the name. Oh, this one is an apple. Wow, another apple tree. And there are so many here. Like this one here is ripe. See this one? The reason why they are being covered with this net is because the birds, when they come here, zinaanza kuziumauma. Unaona kama hii iko hapo, hii iko sawa, iko ready. Basi tunaweka net hivyo ndo zisiumaume na nini.
I feel the gravity pull and it keeps me away. I would rather be here, lonely in space. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
Guys, let's check on this. Oh, these ones are so big. See them there? And for those who do not know about sunflower, the ones which make oil, cooking oil, that's the sunflower. Okay, let me come closer. You see? We have sunflower.
I can feel the memories fade, it's easing my mind. And I can finally breathe when I'm closing my eyes. I never realized what I just could do, but now I know I'm better off without you. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing. here, lonely in space. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over.